In this video, I will show you step by step how we make $10,125 per month with Pinterest affiliate marketing. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and how you can start promoting your affiliate links on Pinterest to earn commission every single day. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share for free. Okay, and this is my lifetime commission. As you can see over here, I made $235,150 commission. This is just from free traffic. Okay, so anyways, for people who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one, okay, with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to scroll down and go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. So what you need to do next, just click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. It's super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to Google, okay, and you will search for Pinterest. Okay, we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links. Okay, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so it's super easy. Okay, so make sure to open business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. After you finish, so what you will do next, you will go back to Google, okay, and you will search for Pinterest trend. Okay, search for Pinterest trend, click on the first link, you will be directly in this page. Okay, so what we will do, we will use Pinterest trend to choose which products and which services are trending in this month on Pinterest. So we will see, so we can choose a profitable services or product that will earn that we can promote to earn a lot of commission. Okay, so you should start using Pinterest trend because a lot of people are not using Pinterest trend. They are just promoting any services on Pinterest and you will never make any commission like this. Okay, you should start using Pinterest trend. It's very important. Okay, so anyways, go to Pinterest trend, scroll down. Okay, you also have over here United States. If you click over here on this country, you can also choose specific countries that you want to target. Okay, if you want to target United States country, choose United States. You can choose Canada, Italy, Spain, Germany, and so much more. Okay, so let's just use United States and scroll down. Okay, you have over here top trends in United States this month. Keep scrolling down and you have here discover trend in United States. Okay, you should see over here filters. Okay, scroll down, go to interest. Okay, like this, and choose which interest you want to target. So for example, you want to work on, so for me I'm gonna choose, so for example, let's take for example finance. Okay, I will select this and here you go. You will find a lot of keywords that are trending. Okay, like this: Cash App, we have Bitcoin, we have crypto, we have day trading. Okay, let's take for example crypto. I will click on this keyword. Okay, just click on the keyword that you want to use and click over here on date, select past 3 months. Okay, so you can see if it's still trending. Okay, and yes, as you can see, crypto keyword, it's still trending. Okay, as you can see. So what you will do, you will go to Fiverr. Okay, go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for crypto. Okay, search for crypto like this. Okay, and scroll down and choose. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, I will choose this one, for example, looking good, level 2 seller. I will create your own cryptocurrency. Okay, I will click on his service. Okay, just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. So what you will do next, you will copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Go back to your Pinterest homepage, click over here on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, and you will be directly in this page. What you need to do next, go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, scroll down, click on his picture and double click, save this picture to your laptop because we will use this picture on Pinterest. Okay, go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture. Okay, like this, and here you go. You need to put title, go back to this, just go back to this seller profile page and copy his title. You are just an affiliate marketer, so you can copy those title, description, his picture, that's fine. Okay, that's what I do. Put this title here, description, go back to his profile page, scroll down. Okay, keep scrolling down. Let me see, go, you should see over here about this gig. Click over here on more, and here you go. This is his description. Okay, so I will copy this part. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. Okay, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link here from here. Go to Pinterest again and put this affiliate link here. Okay, click on choose a board. So if you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it, and you can create as many as you want. Okay, I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags. Okay, keyword. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down, and you should see related tags. Okay, you should see over here related tags. Copy those keywords. Okay, like this. Go to Pinterest, those keywords are very important. Okay, and put those keywords here. I will use blockchain, I will use cryptocurrency. You can also go back to Pinterest trend and scroll down and you can copy those keywords. Okay, just copy those keywords and use those keywords in your Pinterest tags here. Okay, After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. Okay, and that's it. So this is the method that I'm using, guys, and that's how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest. This will be your picture, this is your affiliate link here, this is your title, and this is your description, this is your affiliate link, and you are promoting those services that are trending on Pinterest. Okay, as you can see, so I'm not promoting any services or any random services. Okay, I'm using Pinterest trend to find what's trending on Pinterest this month, so I can use those keywords and go to Fiverr, search for services that are related to those keywords, and I promote those keywords on Pinterest, and that's it. It's super easy. Okay, you just need to stay consistent and keep using what's trending. Okay, keep promoting what's trending, which services are trending, which products are trending on Pinterest, and you will make so much money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, and did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? Okay, you can get so much traffic from Pinterest. Okay, it's 1 billion monthly visitors. A lot of people every single day are searching for specific services, products on Pinterest. Okay, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos. And Pinterest, by the way, guys, Pinterest is one of my traffic sources. I'm using YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so much more. Okay, feel free to check my YouTube channel. I share all those methods for free, and you can go and watch those videos and start your Pinterest affiliate marketing business and start making some commission with affiliate marketing. Okay.